Congratulations to everyone that went to the game. A customer from Zambia won 2,337 Gambian kwacha. Then a customer from Ghana, 503 Ghana cedis. Here in Nigeria, 25,700, 77,193. A lot of winning tickets are still coming. So if you are part of those people that win today game, kindly drop your winning ticket in the comment section. And then tomorrow game is available. If you want to join our VIP platform and then win daily, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Remember, it's a paid service, it's not free, there's no pay after. And then also remember, the subscription fee is affordable for everyone to join. So I will see you in the premium section. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow.